Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to control the music with your JBL Pulse 5. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to control the music with their JBL Pulse 5. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. What you're first going to do is that once you power on the button, you have a few controls here that are gonna go ahead and control your music. So this button right here controls increasing the volume. This button right here controls decreasing the volume. This button right here is your pause and play button. And then down over here, you have your Bluetooth button. Over here, we have our speaker connection button, meaning that you can connect to different JBL speakers by clicking on this button. And then here, we just have our light settings button. So if you click on this button right here, it'll actually change the design of your JBL Pulse 5. But that is essentially how to go ahead and control your music with your JBL Pulse 5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.